Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying parts and power. You need the exact module type and matching voltage. Next, connect module VCC to the correct Arduino rail and G&D to ground. Then hook TX of the sensor to Arduino RX and RX to TX. Once done, double-check connections and insert a logic level shifter if voltages mismatch to avoid damage. Make sure USB stays connected for power and serial. This initial wiring is the foundation for software and enrollment steps coming next. Now you install and configure the library so Arduino can speak to the sensor. Open the example enrollment sketch, then change serial pins and baud if your wiring differs. Upload the sketch, open the serial monitor, and follow prompts to create an ID. Press the finger when requested for 2 captures per template. Once the monitor confirms a saved template, test a read attempt to verify recognition. If enrollment fails, retry cleaning the sensor and varying finger placement. Consistency matters. Finish by building verification into your project logic. Use the sensor's match response to drive a relay, LED, or lock, and record assigned ID numbers for conditional checks. Once integrated, repeatedly test with enrolled prints and attempt non-enrolled prints to confirm rejection paths. If the sensor doesn't respond, immediately recheck power rails, ensure RX/TX are not swapped, confirm serial baud matches, and inspect connectors for breaks or cold solder joints. One key tip: swap to a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.